Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to draw a rocket, so let's get started. I'm going to be using marker on top of marker paper, but feel free to use whatever you like to draw or color with that you have laying around the house. So I'm actually going to start with the outline of the rocket, and it's going to come to a point. So I'm going to start in the middle of my paper, at this spot right here. And what am I going to do is I'm going to do a long curved line, and like this, and then I'm going to come out straight. Just like this. And I'm actually going to do one line just like this on the opposite side to make it symmetrical. So come out, curve, and then comes out straight. I'm going to connect these two lines with a straight line. But I'm going to give it a space right here, and I'm going to keep going. The reason I left this space is I'm going to draw one of the rocket spins right here. So I'm going to come down, and what I'm doing is it's kind of like a curved line, and I'm actually going to do the same thing on the other side and have it come down to a point like that. Now I'm going to do the fins on both sides down at the bottom of the rocket, so one here and one here, and we're going to go here. We're going to curve it and come up. Now I'm going to do one on the other side. I'm going to go down, I'm going to curve it and come up. We're going to add little details to the rocket to help make it look like a rocket. So I'm going to do a curved line up here. I'm going to do a curved line down here. And we're going to give it a little window. So I'm going to do a circle. Like that. Now I'm going to give the rocket a little booster. I'm going to do straight line and in. I'm going to do straight line and in. So I'm actually going to give the rocket a little fire for some boost at the bottom. Actually, did you guys know that rockets can accelerate up to the speed of 15,000 miles per hour in only 8 minutes? Pretty crazy, right? So let's help give them that boost, and we're going to draw some fire. So we're going to go curved line and in, curved line like that. And the same thing on the other side, we're going to do curved line and in. Curved line that goes out like this, and we're going to do kind of like another teardrop shape right here, so just like this. Now if you guys can, I'm actually going to use a gray marker here, and I'm going to give it some kind of like smoke. And I'm going to go like this, kind of like look like clouds that are coming out the bottom. Like it's propelling off of my paper. I'm actually going to give the rocket some color right here, so feel free to pause it at any point, and you could use my photo for reference or make the rocket look any way you guys want. But I'm going to speed this part up. Well, there's my rocket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, or have your mom and dad like and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next time.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.